What's up people of the world? This is Big Steve, Pinoy Cowboy. Ang cowboy na mahilig mag-exercise pero tamad pumunta sa gym. Anyway, stand by na. Second oblique exercise natin is wood chopper, and it goes something like this. So para lang kayo magsisipak ng kahoy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright. Woo! Sibak ng kahoy. So ang pagsisibak ng kahoy, wood chopper, 3 to 4 set guys, and of course 10 to 12 repetition. And of course don't forget na magpahinga kayo every set at least 30 seconds. Alright, wood chopper, sibak, 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 sibak. Other side.